Hey guys, it's another day and another new vlog. It's now the 7th of May, so I haven't filmed for quite a while. I haven't really got anything planned for the rest of this week, so it might be quite boring, but I thought I'd take you guys with me anyway and just see what happens. So I got this jigsaw delivered a couple of days ago, so I thought I'd start doing this today. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy the time lapse. So today I want to talk a bit about motivation and how to stay motivated during this exceptional period of time. So some of you may know our exams have now all become formative rather than summative, and what that means is that they are going to still be assessed, but they're basically just going to be a mock, and we won't be graded on it. We won't have a class list. We won't know how we rank amongst our peers. So yeah, it's basically an exam that's purely just for feedback and to let you know how you've done for the year. And I think that's been applied through the most of Cambridge, apart from final years and a couple of subjects dotted about. So what that means is, because the exams don't technically matter, it's kind of become really hard to stay motivated and still keep on revising and going to lectures and keeping on top of your work, when it feels like there's sort of no end goal now that you can look towards. So it's definitely become a lot more difficult to stay motivated. And it makes a lot of sense really, because we're all stuck back at home, so it's not the most ideal sort of place to be working at all, and it's obviously not a normal situation, so it's difficult for your brain to get accustomed to this new normal that we're having. And of course, with everything being so weird and out there, it feels like it's difficult to compartmentalize those feelings that you're getting and just return to the normal revision and work patterns that you used to follow. I'm sure this is a thing that a lot of people have been experiencing, not just me. One thing that I like to remind myself is that, even though obviously the exams don't matter now and they are just there for assessment purely for the sake of it, we have done a lot of work up to this point throughout this year. And for me to sort of slack off now and not try for the final exam feels like I've almost wasted the start of the year. I don't know if that makes sense. And also there's this, not necessarily direct pressure from my boss and my tutor, but it's sort of self pressure, I guess, to like not embarrass myself and not make them think I'm stupid, and so I at least give them the impression that I've tried and that I've, you know, actually done work this year. So yeah, a couple of ways that I've been trying to stay motivated is by first like having a fixed schedule that I'm trying to follow. So I'm trying to wake up at a certain time and go to sleep at a certain time, and I'm also trying to make like a daily to-do list and a weekly list, and that all just helps me to keep on track of things and make sure I'm sort of where I should be. Another thing that I've got is this new app that I just downloaded called Forest onto my phone. It's quite a cute, like, simple app. Basically, like, it forces you to not use your phone, and for every like minute you don't use your phone, it starts growing like a little tree, and like if you use your phone more, the tree starts dying. Like, I don't know. I found it quite useful anyway. So yeah, I think this is just something really important to talk about, and I wanted to show that, you know, obviously I'm gonna play probably a time lapse of me revising after this, but that, you know, that's taking a lot of willpower to do, and quite frankly, this is the only time I've revised this whole week. So yeah. So for tonight's cooking with Brendan, I'm gonna follow a recipe I found online, and it's pretty cool because they're using Diet Cola. So yeah, we'll see how that turns out.
Outside of war, there you go. Every business Chinese. They have changes to the lockdown from Monday, and with that one continue outdoor exercise on Saturday. Coupled with the milestone and the conditions, so that people have the resource and confidence not just will protect perhaps more plain given that we live in previous historic experience with that.
Absolutely jam-packed in at the window, and there found another window. So the ground below were
I wonder whether the speech.
So I got a delivery today. There's something I've always wanted to learn, but never quite got it together. But now that lockdown is happening, I thought, you know, why not use this extra time I've got, spend it on something useful. So, oh, that's so cool. Okay. You haven't guessed yet. Guitar! Woo! We do love to see it. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I can actually learn something better than the recorder. Oh my god, it's so out of tune. Oh, there's also a case in here. That's cute. Some string, a pick, and a shoulder thing. It's actually pretty good for, I think I spent 35 quid on it. So yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, if you want to get one, there's loads on eBay. Cool, I'm gonna start learning this now. How can I be so out of tune? Jesus. Okay, shut up! It's only taken me, what, 10 minutes to tune it. Morning guys, it's now 10:20 on the 8th of May. I got up about half an hour ago, made some breakfast, and yeah. It's also VE Day today, so I'm gonna go and do the 2-minute silence at 11, I think. There's really not much on the schedule for today. I've got an interview with Pink Week committee at 4:40 because I applied to be treasurer for next year's committee. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah. So I've now got a 20-minute interview to be on next year's Pink Week committee. So Pink Week is like this week that a lot of organisations do during March-ish to raise money for breast cancer charities, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna hop onto Zoom now and hopefully they won't ask me too many difficult questions. Oh my god. Yeah. That's alright. It's like quite hard when you're on your own to do something that's like that rewarding, you know what I mean? So I think it's just really cool to be able to be involved in something that can actually like save a lot of lives. I mean, I applied for treasurer because it's sort of the role that I feel that I have the most relevant experience to. I'd be happy to try out other roles, but I wouldn't say I'm necessarily the most qualified for those. So I think it depends on the reasons why they're trying to spend more money. If they're like legitimate and like it's just something that you need to get and that we've just budgeted badly at the start, then fair enough. But either way, like I'm always free for like a Zoom call. I'm not going to be like on an 8-hour time difference or something. All right, no worries. Cheers. Oh, I thought that went all right. I was really nervous going into this one actually, but I think it went a lot better than I thought it would have. Does that make sense? I don't know why I thought it was going to go really badly, but for some reason, I had this like really annoying knot in my stomach, and I was really scared I was going to fuck it up somewhere. But yeah, pretty happy with that. And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna just chill right now, I guess. Wait for dinner. So I just realised I completely forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what was a really boring 2 days of my life. If you liked it, then subscribe, like the video, all of that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!